Opiskelijankatu 515, take a say. Let's just take one of these. There is a dog button here, was replaced in 2017. I have to check the information later, but not before 1970s. Originally, the capacity is 5 persons, so 400 grams. The serial number is 4303254, and this is in Hervanta, or northern Hervanta, Hervanta, here in Hervanta, the biggest suburb of Tampere, Finland, also the most well-known one. And it's going to be inspected in this year, 2021. And it's fast enough. So still not so bad.
Yeah.
With 9 floors. Because it has a toggle button. And not all of these have it.
Yeah.
I like the green floor here.
No, same here.
The cab is also not so bad with a light blue color on the back wall. Where the mirror is.
Yeah. Tippaa kiva iskuttaa, maintained by Kone.
Probably used to be with 4 persons here. And then they made it a bit bigger.
Yeah.
5 persons, I believe.
Yeah.
It most certainly was. That's it.
That's